Today we were looking at Unit 4, Lesson 12, Finding the Percentage Change. We started with a problem from our previous lesson. A salesperson sold a car for $18,250 and their commission is $693.50. What percentage of the sale price is their commission? So the best way of finding percents is to make a table. So they sold the car, and the commission is what we have. What percentage of the sale price is the commission? So we have the sale price, and we have the commission. The sale price was $18,250. The commission is $693.50. Sale price is our 100%. We're trying to find the commission percent. So we need to find our constant of proportionality. So we do $693.50 divided by 18,250. And we end up with a constant proportionality of 0.038. So to go from 100%, we need to multiply by 0.038, and we get 3.8. So the commission is 3.8% of the selling price. The bill for a meal was $33.75. The customer left $40. What percentage of the bill was the tip? So in this problem, we have our bill and we have our tip. The $33.75 is our bill, and that's our 100%. The $40 is not our tip, though. The tip is the difference between the two amounts, and we end up with $6.25. Again, we find our K. 6.25 divided by 33.75, and we end up with 0.185 repeating. So if we multiply 100 by 0.185, we end up with 18.5. So the tip is 18.5% of the bill. We talked about different ways of doing this problem, and we could have also done the bill and the total amount. And the bill is still $33.75. The 40 is the total. And so if we use this and we found our constant of proportionality, and we did 40 divided by 33.75, we'd end up with 1.185, and we would multiply 100 by 1.185 and get 118.5. So the total is 118.5% of the bill. But we wanted to know about the tip, so we would do 118.5% minus 100, and we would get 18.5%. So there are two ways of doing these problems. We can subtract the amounts first to find the percent, or we can find the percent and then subtract from 100. Either way, we have to subtract. So we're going to do one of these each way. The original price of a bicycle was $375. Now it's on sale for $295. What percentage of the original price was the markdown? And so we have the original price and we have the sale price. And so I'm going to do this one using the numbers that we were given. The original price is $375. The sale price is $295. Original price is 100%. Find our constant of proportionality, 0.787. Multiply that by 100, and we end up with 78 7/10%. So the sale price is 78 7/10% of the original. If we subtract that from 100, we get 21.3% markdown. Caleb also received a pay raise. His $1,250 wage went up to $1,300. By what percent did his wage increase? So we have a starting wage. And this time, instead of using the new wage, I'm going to say, look for the increase. Starting wage is $1,250, and that's my 100%. The increase was $1,300 minus $1,250, or $50. Find our constant of proportionality. 50 divided by 1,250 gives us 0.04. Multiply that by 100 to get 4%. So the increase, that's the title of our column, the increase is 4%. Sometimes they don't tell us whether it's an increase or decrease, and we have to figure that out. The price of a book increased from $20 to $25. What is the percentage change? So I have the original price, and I have the new price. Original price 20, new price 25. Original price is 100%. Find our constant of proportionality. We get 1.25. Multiply that by 100, we get 125%. If we look at our column, that's the new price. So the new price is 125% of the original. But the question wants to know what's the percent change. So if we do 125 minus 100, we get 25. So it is a 25%, and it went up, it increased. So a 25% increase. The temperature dropped from 25 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius. What is the percentage change? So we have our original temperature. And this time, instead of looking at the new temperature, I'm going to talk about the change, the temperature change. The original temperature was 25. The change is 25 minus 18, or 7 degrees. The original is 100%. Find our constant of proportionality, 77 divided by 25. And we end up with 28 hundredths. Multiply 28 hundredths by 100, we end up with 28%. Is that our final answer? Yes, because the column that I'm using is the temperature change, not the new temperature. So it's a 28%. It dropped, so that would be a decrease.